my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ami, and if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and comment, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because we are going to deal with the heart-friendly breakfast anyone can prepare. Yes, I'm going to tell you what you should include in that breakfast, and you will see you are doing your general health very good. Not only the heart, but especially the heart. We are talking about the breakfast we can take that are going to be heart friendly. So stay tuned, as I'm going to tell you those things that you have to be putting in your breakfast each day. I'm talking about 7 days heart-friendly breakfast. You can see it's a week, and you can keep on repeating it. Is very good to your health. I know that we come from different backgrounds. That is why I'm not going to give you the whole recipe, but I'm going to tell you what you should be including in your breakfast each day, and I will tell you what you will benefit from it. So stay tuned as I walk you through a healthy, heart-friendly breakfast you can take each day. Do you know why I am doing this video? Have you wondered how your hearts perform each day? And do you know how many times your heart beats per day? Have you wondered whether you have been feeding your heart the things that they really required from you in order to function well? Because majority of the diseases we are seeing these days is related to heart. Yes, heart attack, heart enlargement, heart failure, and so on, even stroke. Yes, all those things are related to heart. And if you didn't take care of your heart, I don't know whether you can get it from anybody. Your heart is only one. So your heart beats over 100,000 times. I mean over 100,000 times per day. But how often do you feed it what it truly needs? So how often have you been feeding the heart with the essential things that is required in your diet, especially in the morning? Yes, I have made a video about the daily exercise and how you can wake up properly so that you will not keep on bothering your heart each day or damaging your heart through your activities. Yes, damaging your heart. And there's some things you have to do when you wake up early in the morning. One of them is breathe in and out. It will also help your heart. Yes, it's going to help it, because you will have a very flow of oxygen intake and everything, which will help to relax the heart. Yes, so you should make sure that each day you include all these things that I'm saying. You can just formulate your own recipe based on the type of food you people eat in your different locations, but make sure that you include oats. Maybe the first day you include oats in your meal, almond milk or any skim milk. Yes, blueberries and the chia seed. So if you do this combination, oats, almond milk or any skim milk, yes, blueberry and chia seed, so it will help your heart very well. What is the benefit of oats? Oats is rich in soluble fiber, which sweeps away the bad cholesterol. Why? Blueberries protect your arteries with powerful antioxidants. You know, blueberry contain a very powerful antioxidant. so they protect your arteries. Why shea seed? The shea seed contains omega-3 fatty acid, and that omega-3 fat is very, very good for the heart. Yes, it enhances the heart health. So make sure you include it in your first day. So the second one, you can include avocado. You use it and do toast with bread. I mean wheat bread or oat bread. You know that you can get wheat bread and the oat bread. You will just mash the avocado and use it and do bread toast. Yes, and you should include egg, whether boiled egg or poached egg. So you boil egg along with it, and you slice tomatoes. Yes, you put tomatoes inside it, and this combination will just stabilize the blood pressure. It's going to stabilize the blood pressure and the improve circulation in the heart, and it will fuel the energy, a clean energy. It will fuel you with a clean energy. So make sure you include it in your meal, because the avocado you are talking about is a healthy fat, and is very, very, when you combine it with egg, which is a healthy protein, is going to, number one, stabilize your blood pressure, and it will improve blood circulation, and also fuel your day with a clean energy. Isn't it amazing? It is, right? So make sure you include this in your meal. So maybe on the third day, you use Greek yogurt. It's very, very good. Yeah, when you get your Greek yogurt, you get strawberry, blueberry, granola, and you just slice fruits. You just put flaxseed in it. And all this combination, do you know what it's going to do? Greek yogurt strengthens your bones and the guts. It's going to strengthen your bone, because Greek yogurt contain calcium. It's going to strengthen your bone, and it's going to clear your gut and help you to have a healthy gut. And the flaxseed and blackberries or blueberry or strawberries, they protect your heart from inflammation. You can see the reason why you should include this in your daily routine, in your breakfast. Yes, use it to do your breakfast, incorporate it as you wish. Yes. So on the fourth day, you can use tomatoes. You can do vegetable on the fourth day. Can use purple cabbage, green cabbage. Just use it, slice them, and do broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, banana. You do just tomatoes, olive oil. You just do your veg, spinach, everything. You just put them all together with peas, all those vegetables. When you put them together, you just use your olive oil. You use it as a salad dress. You just use it and take it in on the fourth day. And what does this thing help in your heart? This combination is going to support a healthy cholesterol. It's going to support a healthy cholesterol, which is the key. And it reduces arteries stiffness. You can see it's going to reduce artery stiffness and keep your heart feeling young. You can see when you do this, you can see that your heart will thank you later. Your heart is going to be very healthy, and you will feel it yourself. So that artery stiffness is going to release it. It relaxes your muscle, the pressure, the stressed arteries is going to relax it. It's very, very necessary for you to include all these things in your breakfast. So on the fifth day, you do another veg. That is green smoothie. This one, you are going to drink it. You are going to blend it. Yes, you blend spinach, banana, apple and chia seed together. I mean spinach, banana, apple, you blend them with chia seed, you blend them together. Do you know what you can get from this? The benefit is that this is a natural powerful drink. Spinach and banana balances your blood pressure. You know, they contain magnesium, you know. So they will balance your blood pressure. And the chia seed nourishes every heartbeat. You can see the chia seed you are taking is going to nourish every heartbeat with omega-3 fats and antioxidants. Isn't it fascinating? It is, right? So make sure that you take note of all these things that I'm saying if you have to have a healthy heart. If you mean business, to make sure you always look after yourself. Yes, especially your heart. Your heart is a gold, so trade with caution and preserve it as if you just acquired new gold. Yes, so that you will have a long life, a life full of happiness because you have a healthy heart. Yes, just go around and know how many people have a healthy heart. And I want to tell you that in my next video, I'm going to tell you the type of exercises you should do in order to have a healthy heart. Thank you. That exercises you should do early in the morning that will help you, that will help your entire being. Thank you for listening.